Anywhere you are, I am near. Anywhere you go, I'll be there. Anytime you whisper my name, you'll see how every single promise I'll keep. 'Cause what kind of guy would I be if I was to leave when you need me most? What are words if you really don't mean them when you say them?
Hej far.
Hej, jeg har lige været med lægen med mor, og det er svært dårligt nyt. Mor får konstateret en kræftsygdom, som ikke kan behandles i Danmark.
Jamen, hvordan skal hun så blive kureret?
De siger, at det eneste land, hvor man kan blive kureret for det, er i USA, men det vil koste os 5 millioner kroner.
Men skal vi selv betale for det?
Ja, desværre.
Men det har vi da ikke råd til.
Ja, det ved jeg godt. Vi må vente og se. Vi snakkes mindre, når vi kommer hjem senere.
Ja, det er okay. Hils mor.
Standing right beside her tonight, and I'm gonna be by your side. I would never leave when she needs me most. What are words if you really don't mean them when you say them? What are words if they're only for good times, then it's all. When it's love, yeah, you say them out loud. Those words, they never go away. They live on, even when we're gone. Anywhere you are, I am near. Anywhere you go, I'll be there. And I'm gonna be here forevermore.
Nummer 32. Nummer 32. Nummer 20. Nummer 20. Nummer 1. Nummer 1. Nummer 12. Nummer 12. Nummer 24. Nummer 24. Nummer 28. Nummer 28.